Welcome to our channel. Welcome to another one of our videos. Today we're going to talk about Nano Dimension Company, NNDM. We'll cover this new short report that just came out. We'll cover the Ark trades and then hot off the press news on the stock as well. And then I'll talk to you where I see the stock is heading and if it's a time to buy now or not. Remember, we just done a video about a week ago on this stock, but we covered about all the contracts and everything. This is very important for you to watch the short positions and what's happening here. Okay, if you're new to our channel, please click any of the money icons below to review any of our past videos. Please smash the like button and subscribe to our channel so you can get future content. So let's get busy. Here's our current position. We went into the position in 416. We performed one covered call against her. We received that $507. We put on another covered call for the next following month for another $225 of premium. These are premiums that we get off our options by selling covered calls. Remember, we're only doing 50% of our position, so we allow the other 50% to grow. Be a total of 937 premium and profits if this gets called away. As you can see, pretty much the NASDAQ almost went to flatline at the end of the day for Friday because this is a long weekend for Saturday, Sunday, Monday that the markets are going to be closed. So some people wanted to take some profits off the table. Let's look at the analysts. We had for May, we had one strong buy and one buy. There's nothing for holds, nothing for underperform, and nothing for sells for the month of May. The targets are still $10 and $10, and we're currently sitting at $7.10. Next thing we're going to cover is Ark Invest. As you can look on here, let me go ahead and get this a little bit larger. This is their ETF, Ark Autonomous Technology and Robotics ETF, called ARKQ. This is as of Friday closing. NNDM, they have 1.94% of the portfolio is in the stock. So she still has 7.7 million shares, worth about almost $57 million of the stock. Let's look at the short interest, and then we're going to go ahead and go with our chart, and then we'll get into the news articles. As of 5/14, just came out, there is a difference between 4:30 and 5:14, which is that 15-day period or so. The short interest increased by almost 11%. We're talking about 29.9 million shares are sold short right now. Now that's the highest it's been in a long time if you look back here. So almost 30 million shares are sold short against the stock. As you can see, the percentage of shares shorted is 12%. That's very high. Anything greater than 10% is very high. The outstanding shares is 248 million shares. So 12% of that outstanding is sold short. That's why I'm saying this is very critical to understand what's going on here. So we could have any type of a short squeeze at any time. I will also put this article down below as well in the description. Let's go to the chart. The last video I was talking to you about, once we cross this line here, I wanted to make sure that we had a few days of confirmation. Every one of these tickers represents 15 minutes. We crossed the 50-day, crossed the 200-day right here on 5/18. And we've been just going down. We've been hugging that line, the 200-day, and we even dropped below it a couple of times. And then we popped back up. So each time we went to this line, we came back up. And then what we did was we took off here on 5/25. We even crossed the 50-day here, and we stayed above that line for a little bit, and then we came back because people were taking profits here on the 28th at the end of the day. You see how it spiked all the way up here to 751 in the beginning of the day, and then she started coming down because the NASDAQ was coming down. Okay, as long as you understand that, if the NASDAQ starts going south, this stock will come down too as well. So let's go ahead and see what happens this week. Okay, now this article came out Thursday, and they're talking about the 3D stocks, printing stocks, is the way of the future, and all these investors are hoping so, even us. If you're invested in NNDM, then you're invested in 3D. They talk about Kathy Wood here is taking the lead on it. Now, the valuation concerns are troubling investors. The valuation's kind of up there, but you got to understand that they have $1.5 billion in cash and assets, and they're only trading at a $1.8 billion market cap. So there's nothing wrong with valuation right now, in my opinion. Okay, then they give you tip rankings here, saying that it's kind of underperforming. Then they talk about the bottom line here. And the stock has dropped 65% from its peak, but it still looks overvalued based on this guy's opinion. But I believe that this is not overvalued. I'm kind of neutral right now, being at $7.10 until we find out what else they're going to acquire. And so we can see some more profits in the next quarter coming up. Here's another article on launching the Dragonfly LDM. It's a 2.0 update. It's basically a software update that they're putting on all these printers. And they talk about in here the people that have service agreements are not going to have to pay any extra money, and that they've already upgraded some of these systems with this. The new upgrades, if you don't have the service plan, will cost the customers money. So I will leave this down below in the description area as well, so you guys can read it. I want to thank you all for watching on this Memorial Day weekend. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend with your families and be safe out there. You guys take care of yourselves. And if you have any questions or anything about the stock, or if you want to share something with others down below, go ahead and put it down in our comments. Or if you just have questions about a different stock, you put that down below and we'll answer those questions. Please click the like button so these videos can get in front of other people. And subscribe to our channel so you get future video and content. Thank you all again. You guys take care. This is Sonny. I'm out.